Ready to make payments faster? Here's how to add Google Pay to Temu. First, open the Temu app or go to temu.com. Log into your account. Now tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Here you can see payment methods option. Tap on it. Now select add payment method and choose Google Pay. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your Google Pay account. Google Pay lets you complete your orders without needing to enter payment details every time. Let me know if you prefer using Google Pay for your shopping. Easy and quick. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.